how to use your Makita cordless drill as a screwdriver. So there's two ways of doing this. The first way is getting your screwdriver bit like this, popping it into the end and twisting towards you with the Makita sign facing you, so it tightens up on the bit. Then give it one final twist like that, and you then can use it as a screwdriver. However, if you need a different size bit, it's a slow process of putting it down, twisting away from you, taking out the bit, putting your new size in, tighten it back up. This is why I always recommend having one of these. Now this is a DeWalt bit holder, however you can get them in any brand you want. I just do like this one, it's well robust. So put it in just exactly like we did before, twist towards you to tighten the chuck onto the bit, give it one final tighten. Now all you need is to get your bit, pop it in the end. It's magnetic this, so it holds it in place as you can see, and then you can use your Makita cordless drill as a screwdriver. Want to change the bit, pop it out, pop your new bit in, and there you go. So hopefully that helps you out how to use your Makita cordless drill as a screwdriver. If this helps you out, help me out by smashing the like, the subscribe, and thanks for watching.